I think it's raining. I think it's raining. It's raining. No way. She ruined everything. There's a fish fucking jumping out of the water. Oh my god, I've never seen that in my life. That went like a whole metre into the air. What, because they're trying to get a bit more wet? How hard is it raining? So f***ing hard! She does. She is available for weddings, birthdays. She's available as a witch. Yeah, sure. There's a wave! No, not you, slow-mo. I'll make it slow-mo. You hit someone down there. Well, that was the most successful, unsuccessful thing we've ever done. We had a great time. It started raining, which I was not expecting. This is the first time it's rained in Dubai in like a year. And we didn't make it to the island. We got 10 metres out. Yeah. She's gonna die. We need to get her to A&E. Stat, look at this.
Look at that bad boy.
Oh, you can't even see it, it's so bright. Look at that. Oh my god, you're gonna die. Oh my god. But the rain in the sea was amazing. We saw a fish that was like jumping out the water.
Flying fish!
Flying fish! Flying fish!
Flying fish! My hair's wet.
What's happened?
My hair's wet. What? Dry quickly. Is this coming off on me?
What? It's just hands.
No, look! Look at the little...
Oh.
Why are you... What should I say?
Wait, you got to face that way.
Okay. Hey!
Oh, that is freaky! And it's like the sound's reflecting as you shout.
No! Sick! No!
Oh!
Let's go and pick it up.
Come on.
What is it when you do
Wait, even if you do it really quiet, listen, wait, ready?
No way!
No way.
Yours is so...
We must look absolutely mental.
That's got to pick that up now. Oh my god!
Hello! Wait, you got to try and repeat it as it comes back.
Say, hey, hey.
Hey, hey!
No, one hey!
Shh! Shh! Famous vlogger here. Yeah. Hey! Right, let's go. We are going... Where are we going?
We don't actually know. And
Oh, knock you out with the camera, sorry.
Oh, we're going to the supermarket.
Going down
to
to supermarket.
And then we're going to Dam, and then we're going to do
barbecue.
We're going to
Damn. No
eat
swearing,
it.
please. Get in.
Let's go.
Quick, quick! There's a rush. There's a rush now.
I
Quick.
fancy a pretzel. Pretzel.
We've got pretzels.
Fizzy peaches as well, don't you? Yeah.
Fizzy peaches.
Millions of peaches. Peaches for me.
You got to keep going. You got to keep going.
Millions of peaches. Peaches for free.
Hey! Some mad flows going on over. Go. No way! Yes. city centre, Fajira. Look at that, we are the only 4 people in the whole of Fajira, I think. Oh, go on, go, go, go. Ready? Oh, sanitising you.
Shut up.
Yeah, have you not done this?
Let's go to the mall. Sha la 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 la.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm going to have to ask you to calm down or get out.
Ask you to stop dancing, please.
Can you not talk to me like that? What are we doing? double.
We're double screening, double lensing. Come on, we need to stop shouting. He ain't got a clue.
Right, updated plan. We are going for Pizza Express and then we're going to go to the dam to watch the sunset, hopefully,
Yes.
which means we've got an hour to eat.
1 hour.
Correct, yes.
Oh no, oh wow.
Who?
I don't know.
Hi, can I get a table for 2, please?
Mikkel.
Right, done, do something funny.
Are you ready? Now?
Go. What? Do something funny.
Can I do my park trick?
Yeah.
Yay!
Wow. Do something funny.
Just my face.
That was so sad.
Do something funny.
I don't know what to.
That was pathetic.
Take 2. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Okay, quiet.
Take 3. Do something funny.
Pizza!
Giant pizza!
There's only a little
Oh.
middle in it.
Mini pizza.
I think yours is a healthy pizza.
Giant pizza. Mini pizza.
Oh.
Me, why are you holding that pizza so weird? Is that how you store
It's
a
just
pizza?
sad.
That's
Then
not
they're
how
like
you store.
merged flavours.
Oh, dirty. The ice toffee nut latte is back in Starbucks. Right, ready? First taste test. Alex wasn't impressed. Here we go. Right, go on. Is that not the best thing you've ever had?
Oh, that is good.
Right, go
I'm
on.
a sweet sucker though.
Who next? Oh,
Good now.
that is really good. Yeah.
Oh,
This is the best coffee Starbucks has ever made. Yeah, at Starbucks, if you want to sponsor me, just give me a shout. I'm always available. We've definitely all now got Corona. If one of us has got it.
One of us has. We have all of mini bubbles.
This looks really cool, this model, actually. What is going on?
Oh no, you
Oh
didn't.
no, this isn't going to work. That's the colour.
That's what you're going
Yeah.
for.
What?
Is that you mix blue with Jack or what?
If
I
you
have no
use,
clue.
if you use the blue one,
That again?
if you put that blue jack on
What?
and then put this on, it should go to
No,
the,
what is this one?
There isn't a blue one.
This one.
Oh.
Yeah, they are. They're all colour branded.
Oh.
Wait, I know what's happening here.
Jesus Christ.
This is the colour, and like you said, you put this on it.
Use with any mix and match shade for
There you
softer
go.
pastel
So
tones.
you need these 3.
3?
Yep.
What's the process?
The bleach his hair so it goes a lovely yellowy colour blonde.
Nice.
Then what we're going to do, we're going to put this on it, which is what we call a blue Jack. Now blue Jack is a very bold blue, not like my mask. Not like that, no, bluer.
This
Think
is this
blue.
is right because
And then
mix
tell the camera. And then what you're going to do, you're going to use this is the last part of it, and this is going to pastelise it. No, pastelise it.
Oh, it's a pasteliser. That's a pasteliser.
Mix the product with any mix and match
Which is- that's
shade,
the mix
which
and
is
match.
that.
Alex is having none of it.
So you're
Are you
going to
against
be
this?
Nah.
you're going to be pastelised,
Yeah, but turning that into that.
pasteurised,
Which
like
is that
milk.
into that?
Let's
You're
just
gonna
go. We'll never know unless we do it. Come on.
Wait.
blue boy.
So for the next section of the video, we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to dye my hair. Yeah, sort of bluey, grey, silvery blue. But a nice blue. It'll be nice.
It'll be blue.
It's going to be bright blue.
No, not blue. I don't want dark. white. I hate this lot. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go for a bluey, silvery thing. I don't know what I'm doing, by the way. I'm just listening to whatever the girls say. So if it all goes wrong, it's actually their fault. We go blonde first of all, then we mix this one and this one to turn dark blue, pastel blue, hopefully, and then it's going to be a grey, bluey, good colour.
You're gonna look like a unicorn.
A unicorn? I don't think that's what I'm going for. A crack down. You're dealing it out, right?
Bleach primer, step 1, lightning powder.
Lightning powder.
Step 1, lightning powder.
Lightning powder sounds scary.
I like.
That's not blonde.
It goes on blue, but then makes it blonde. As in, like, as you paint it on, it goes blonde.
We've had a little t-shirt change, so I don't ruin it. It's about to happen.
Into à la cadet salon.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Like this.
What do we want to say?
Not a bad one, please.
Okay, can you hold this for me?
Do you do that at your salon?
Yeah.
Right, you've got to get involved.
But I will brush it. Okay, right, you can't go back now.
It stings.
Right, it will sting. By the
Really?
way. Yeah.
It'll hurt.
What do you mean hurt?
You'll have to itch it. When you need an itch, just let me know.
What? No one told me about the pain.
Rach, can you read the instructions?
What? Are you taking the piss?
What do you need?
Can you read the instructions?
No, can you actually?
No, when I do my mum.
Don't.
Go on.
No, it's good.
What's you doing?
Baby wipe, quick.
Baby wipe.
Wipe it with your hand. Your hand's fine.
Hold on, so you're wearing gloves, but you're telling me to wipe it with my hand?
Yeah.
Want a cup of tea?
Oh, thank you, love.
Want a vodka?
Yeah.
Then I'm very wary. I need to do the rest of it.
It's about to happen. One more step done. Very yellow. Jesus, this is so bad.
Look, it's going like whitish.
Is that good or bad?
Good.
I genuinely can't believe what my hair looks like right now.
These little rocks.
This is really bad. But this is apparently step 1. Before it goes like this. You like it like this?
Look how well I've done that at the back.
Is it good?
Oh my god, yeah. I've done that well straight at the back. Can you have a watch of that?
What's your at? Put your at, go. I'm actually in shock of what is going on right now. I'm very nervous because this is
Look at this colour, please.
quite different. Whoa, that colour is wild. So it begins. I can't do this.
Right, it's on. Fucking it's on.
Oh no! You dye my skin blue? Is that a thing?
Well, yeah, sometimes. 'Cause I'm trying to get your edges.
Get your edges.
It won't.
How are you feeling?
I don't even know what to say. Wow. It's all gone a bit downhill since last time. I don't even know what to say.
Hi peeps. We have a very stressed Brad here. Obviously Rachel was the one who dyed it, not me. Let's go have a look. You big summer blow up.
This is not going well.
Girl, where'd you get your hair done?
About half an hour ago, I was like, yeah, this is going to go well, this is going to go great.
Wait, it's coming out, look.
You remember
Yeah, it
2
is.
years ago when everyone told you not to do it and get blonde highlight?
It's just the sides are like in your face, isn't they?
It's all in your face now.
Shut up. Oh, it wasn't what we were expecting.
They never would be, it's a box dye.
That's not the answer.
Play the flute.
Is that Harry Potter?
No, someone's playing the flute or the whistle.
Should we do a
Oh,
reveal?
it does look like
Let's do a reveal in the mirror. Ready?
Ta-da!
I think the top's a bit dark. This is
Right, now blow dry it.
wow. Help.
Conditioner in your ear.
We've come a bit more to terms with the new hair, but we are gonna go and get a haircut from a Colombian clown,
Wow.
because that's what we do round here. This place is mental. Yes, papi.
Yes, Bobby. I think it's got
No clue what is going on.
Not alive.
That's the craziest haircut I've ever
I
had.
love it.
Thank you.
Wave, Brad.
Yes. Whoa. Yeah, that's really good. I feel like I'm in like a mirror.
It's me! 1, 2, 3, me!